Oh, hello! Welcome to my room.
I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. And girl, you know the deal. You gotta keep it real.
There's a stain on my shirt. So today I'm going to be doing a room tour. You guys know that I've literally changed everything, so I thought it was appropriate. Yeah, the last time you guys saw me, my room was the same. You know, my bed was this way and all of that, but whenever I got hacked, I was like, it's time for a change. So I basically got a bunch of new decor, I changed everything around, and finally, after like 6 years of being in this room, I'm happy with how it looks, even though I'm moving out in like a month or two. Can you see me? Is it focused?
Yes, it is focused.
Ava's filming this, so if this is really bad, you have someone to blame. Look at the fit though. Look at these jeans. I got them from American Eagle. Okay, I love them. Okay, let's get started. When you first come into my room, this is what it looks like. We have the bed over here. I turned it horizontally. Oh my gosh, this is probably really loud. I'm gonna turn it off. I got an air conditioner thing. My bed frame is from like Facebook Marketplace or something really old, and it's broken. We'll talk about that. I got this rug from Amazon. You guys know how bad my carpet is, so don't comment about it. I know. So I'll try to link everything down below as best as I can. What?
And I'm also recording.
Hi.
Like I was saying, rudely interrupted. My my rug is from Amazon. It's just a gray rug, and it actually rolls further under, like it's bigger, and I love it. I'm definitely gonna take it with me to college. That's kind of what I was low-key kind of dorm shopping too, because I'm gonna bring a lot of this stuff with me, and I'm gonna do a whole dorm shopping video. I'm excited about that. I hope you guys can see me. I'm like against the sun. Let's talk about my bed then. My mattress. Who cares about my mattress? Ooh, I forgot. Lol. We love Lol. This blanket is from, I have no idea. My like this white is, I can't speak. This white comforter is from Amazon. I don't know where this pillow's from. Honestly, it's just a bed. My parents made me this like t-shirt blanket for my 18th birthday. So that's right there. So, show them the LED lights. These LED lights are from Amazon. I'll link down below. It's one, is it one box? But look,
It's
so
two.
nice. Dad constructed this whole operation, put screws in. We had to use screw holders because they kept falling down. It was a whole process. But they're super cute. You can do like fades.
It takes a second for it to fade.
Ta-da, it's fading, whatever. So,
It's fading, whatever.
here is my makeup station. This chair is from Gordman's, which is like shutting down. I don't know. It's literally like a store like Ross. This rug is from my mom because she's a photographer. Check rugs. It's this black chair that I do my makeup and hair on. We love that. And then we come to my makeup station. Show them the beauty. We have this mirror from Wayfair, which was super duper expensive, but it's so nice. I haven't had a nice mirror like this before. This bag is from Amazon. This rug, you could probably get one at Ross. It's from my parents as well. This plant is from Wayfair. We love greenery. This makeup station's from Ross. Maybe I'll do a separate makeup collection, but top one I just have like hairspray and makeup remover, whitening strips. This one just has extra stuff, and everything else down here is just, you know, makeup, and it's organized way better than what it used to be. I used to have like white compartments that weren't cute. My makeup brushes, and I got this little acrylic holder from Amazon as well. I have an earring holder, fabric spray. This earring holder is from Amazon as well. I'm gonna try to link everything down below. I swear everything's from Amazon, and that is a problem that we need to unpack. But on this side, we have my sunglasses. I got this plant from Hobby Lobby. We love Hobby Lobby. Then this mirror is from an Amazon brand. These sunglasses are all just from random places. And then here we have my ring light from, girl, is it from Amazon too? My parents got me this for my 16th birthday. It's great. And then we have my After Hours poster. And it's signed by him. You know, I love The Weeknd. And there's an A. You already know. Here are all the posters that everyone is always asking me about. This trilogy one is from Amazon. I'm gonna try to link them below if I can find them. But I probably won't, okay? Just search up trilogy poster. There's that. This is my 100,000 YouTuber pick. And I've just put After Hours CDs on top because why not? And then my blonde posters from Amazon. This is from, my parents made it for football season because I was chilling. And then this Marilyn Monroe.
It's from Ross.
No.
Yeah.
It's actually from Goodwill. Yeah, I know.
It is?
It's from Goodwill. It came in the frame and it was like 20 bucks. Kind of didn't want to buy it for me, but I was like, girl, look at it. It's beautiful. And we come over here and we have my dress, just little clothes holder. I put my cute clothes out here. Clothes I need to haul. Like I need to haul all these bikinis. And I have so many clothes. I have more clothes in my closet, but my closet is a mess. I'm not showing you that. My dresser is very old. My dresser is not much to brag about. You know, underwear, t-shirts, all of that. I'm not gonna go too much into it because it's dresser. Over here, I have like a whole USB area for my Bluetooth lights, my TV. This is an iHome that I never use. You know, I have some candles.
It's not even the correct time.
This is actually car accessories for when I get my car. Who knows? I have all the accessories, but no car. And then here I have my TV, basic TV that I have it held up on like a box. Then I have LED lights around it as well. These ones are actually from Walmart. You know, I always have them on.
Yeah.
And I have a little frame. And I have a little frame again. We love this frame. Don't I look cute? And over here, I normally have my purse. We love Michael Kors. And I keep all my candles over here. I love candles, and I'm so sad that I can't bring them in August. We're coming! Dang. Girl, I'm going to beat my parents up. This might be a quick video because there's not even much for me to show. And then over here, my coach got me this as a gift for leaving. And then, yeah, that's my room. My closet's over here, but we don't get into it. Ava drew this of me. And Ava drew me this, and I got this from my cheer team. This is Ava's bed area. I mean, no, not Ava. Bootsy. Bootsy loves sleeping here. I first thought Bootsy didn't like it. If you don't know, Bootsy's my cat. But Bootsy loves it here. It's like all black from her fur. And you know I had to put it on a throne because Bootsy's the baddest bee. And then here I have my shoes. Just my cute shoes.
And Bootsy.
Yeah. So my Air Forces, just some sandals. I'm going to do a wide width. Look at me. I'm going to do a wide width shoe haul soon. So y'all look out for that. I'll link this. I got this from Target. This is my air conditioning and it's been a lifesaver. I don't know how I survived without it because I'm always freaking hot. Cute slippers. You know, yeah, I love my room now. The vibe, everything is just immaculate. You guys are so sick of me. So I have to go.
I want to eat.
So give me a like, subscribe down below, you already know. Because I'm gonna have, I have a bunch of new exciting videos for you guys planned. I mean, I had a month of thinking about it, so. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about my room, let me know. I love it. It is my safe space. It is everything. So I'm gonna go because I have to leave. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. Go follow my Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. Hey, did you just fart? This is Bootsy, my cat.
I already showed Bootsy.
Did you?
Yeah.